Do you have loose and bouncy floors? When you walk through the middle of a living room or a dining room, does everything rattle and fall to the ground? Hey, if you live in a crawl space home and you've got that symptom, I'm here to tell you how to fix that. It's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair. I'm just going to talk about one of these common things I see in a crawl space. This is an old 1900s home in Bryan, Texas. Right above me for reference is floor joist, 2x8 floor joist on that, holding up a hardwood floor. No subfloor at all. That's just the layer of hardwood floor. At some point, these floor joists got loose, got tired, got sagged, and started to be bouncy when you walk through. So the solution for someone was to install these series of tongue and groove, just scrap pieces of wood on every floor joist, and then nail them in place and then drop them straight down onto a concrete brick. I'm gonna lay a little bit closer to this one here. At some point, I imagine that this did touch that concrete base right there, block. Either this settled or this thing got so rotted out that it's not providing any support now. You can tell how brittle that is. It just breaks away with a little bit of pressure. And this is a good attempt, but a terribly wrong installation. The better way to provide support to floor joists, floors, and the structure of your home is to install a shaker sill. A shaker sill is a 4x6 pressure treated pine sill. Is going to carry horizontally run and carry the weight of all of these floor joists going left to right on this home and provide support. And then to turn it vertical, so you got a horizontal 4x6, then you're going to drop concrete bases down the vertical orientation to hold that up, and it's going to last a whole lot longer. It's going to feel a whole lot better, and you and your floors are going to feel like rock stars on the inside. I'm going to put a link down in the description below for what a shaker sill is and what that actually looks like, so you can continue to learn even more.